Only one way to boost my pension if I was starting all over again in my 20s, no kid, no family, could take unlimited risk. The one thing I do today, which balances a bit of risk with a bit of caution, I'd buy the 2 times leverage Microsoft exchange traded fund and hold it for 1 to 2 years until I at least doubled my money. That'd be the one. I'm not doing it right now for a very simple reason. Wife, kids, I'm older, not in my 20s, not young, not going to put all eggs in one basket. But if you put a gun to my head and said you can only make one investment, there's only one thing you can do, which isn't the stupid one, like, I'll just put all my money in buying lottery tickets, then that'd be the one right now. I'm sure you've got your own ideas. You wouldn't ever in a pension just put one investment, obviously. So this is done for a bit of fun. But if you want to know how to do pensions properly and pensions growth properly, then you want to go to the website that you can see on the screen and reach out to us. Fill in the pension education form and we will help you get better at getting better returns and better educated. That's the goal. Thank you.